Alright, hey, I'm streaming now. Woo. In the morning, just like I said it would be. And we're going to be working on the RNG game more. So, last time we got a lot of basic stuff set up. This time I think we have to do a little bit more. One thing is we're going to need remote events. So I think you put that in replicated storage is where you put this. You add a remote event. Let's put this into a folder. Let's call this the call these EM events. We have sync. We have. Why won't it let me rename it? We have sync, verify. These do the opposite of each other. Is that it? I think that's it. So sync and verify. Let's go to data manager. Local rs equals game dot replicated storage. What I do, is it a service? Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's a big service. It would not be here. Okay. I don't really probably supposed to do it. Okay, whatever. rs dot em events dot on server event. Connect. Function. It's what player it is, so we're going to call it player. And how this works is it's essentially just a thing to change it so that so since players have this PLVS and inside of that is EM, what it'll do is it'll go player, wait for child. So then if player, wait for child. No. Wait for child. PLVS. Yes. Wait for child. EM. A value. We're going to set this. Make it set async. And that's it. That is all that sync does. Right? Well, there's a little bit more to it because we also have to do if then and what is this? Remember how we get this value? We'll need this value again, but for something different. Hanged. And if this is equal to true, then it doesn't. So first of all, to do this, you have to have obtained whatever it is. So that's an important piece of information. So it's essentially just a bit of a safety mechanism, a bit of anti-hack type stuff going on here. Check, hey, you have to have this obtained in order to be able to have it equipped. So it's a basic set rule, since that should be true no matter what if you're equipping it. We can also set up some other things. Like a luck shower, something that shows how much luck you have on a given roll. Or we should just do friend boost, I guess. Normally you'd probably do 1 over it so that you can get a better view of, like, better idea of what the luck boost means, but I'm just going to give you the raw facts. Yes. I guess I'll make it a button too. But anyway, that's for later. That's not important yet. So now we have this. Tells you that. And now what we need on the other is we need a verify. Now verify does pretty much the exact opposite. Or rather, it does something a bit different. So we have this, right? If this is not equal to this, equals, whoa, what, oh, okay. That was weird. Yeah, so it sets it equal to that. Pretty simple. This should work in theory. Verify on server events. So that should be the sync and verify, which are both important for this. And there are some other things that will also be important. For example, the starter player, starter character scripts. I don't know if that's what I want. Got a script called on character join. Oh, I guess it is here as well. Update care, yeah. So we have to do serious. Actually, is this local? I don't know if this should be local or not. Probably. You make a script. Anyway. Missed assets. And then we have first we gotta make this in the work spot. So it's a part. Part has to specifically be called head. And it has no collision. Where is it? It's completely transparent. So what we'll then add is humanoid. Oops. One of them. Display name can be whatever, I think. Wait, why is it not showing up? Wait, does this have to be group as model? We have to move that outside. What? Why is the humanoid not doing what it's supposed to? Here, let me look. Oh, yeah, I'm making an RNG game. Sorry, I didn't see your message. I was too focused on why on earth it wasn't doing it. How to make a humanoid show its name in Roblox. Thought I knew how it worked. I'm just a bored horror game dev. Yeah, and I'm just a bad game dev, period. I'm trying to get a humanoid. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. I probably have something wrong with it. I guess I don't really want that anyway. I don't really want a humanoid, I guess, anyhow. Let's start here. Let's put this back. If I add, let's see, how would I do this? Use a particle? Particle. Emitter. Rate 1. Speed 0. Probably. I just don't know how to make it like display correctly. How do I make it not change location? If I change your scale. I think the scale of this thing needs to be 0, essentially. So now I need its rate to be a bit higher. No, it needs lifetime to be 0.1 higher than like rate. Now it flashes, so let's make it a little bit less. There we go. So this is working, but I also don't exactly want it to be a particle either. It's a bit difficult here. Because exactly what I want is just text that rotates with the camera. How to make a custom, what would it be? Text on above a Roblox character's head. Oh boy. See, the thing is, like, it's a bit complicated. It's just gonna load. Like, so whenever you like get a whatever you have equipped, right? It should show it above your head in the correct like font and color. and I'm trying to figure out how you would add that. And it should be like above your username. So here, I have browser. So if I go ahead and open this one, yeah, okay, so this should show above it. Now let me go here, and what I want is a search for RNG game Roblox. I'll show you. I just gonna give some general idea of what I want. So here in this image, see how they have this above their head? I'm trying to figure out how you would add this in. So I'm trying to figure out. I don't feel like following the tutorial though. I'm gonna do this on my own because I feel like it. Oops. Let's see. So, goodness, that's super annoying. Did I open the tab? I don't know. So what I don't want is this. Let's see if I go ahead, billboard UI. Text label. Yes, that is what I want. Okay. Let's customize some things. So we can just set this transparency to 1. Set the text to scaled. For everything else, it'd have to be determined by whatever you have. So wait, I found it. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is add maybe a local script. Let's just assume it's a local script. What it's gonna need is local pl equals game dot players. What we want is pl dot local player. No. So whenever you have one of these, it's gonna have to have it something changed. So let's add here also a local, not a string value, and that's gonna be username. And so local username un equals script dot parent wait for child username dot value. And what it's going to look for is when el get I think it's wait for child un for child, PLVS, wait for child, em dot changed, connect, function, v end. This should work. Now we have to set up a whole system for this though. We can first of all just set script. Yeah, let's also do local text equals script dot parent. Do text dot text equals nv. No matter what, that'll be true. But for color and stuff, we have to do a little bit more. So text. I guess I don't need anything because yeah, it will all be set up in here. So I don't need this. I'm just gonna set it up in here, and then if nv equals water, then end, and then we'll have a whole series of else's. Else if nv equals wind, and this will be everything else. So this will be font and font and color. Wind, earth, fire. Let's also add another text label. This one is going to be should I do it below or above? I don't know. Minus 10. What? 10. Okay, that moves it down.
You are my sunshine, my
Hello.
only sunshine.
I found out that that audio is apparently copyrighted, and Twitch removes the audio for any section where that plays. That's really fun.
Dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine.
I guess that's something to look at now.
The other night, dear.
Dashboard. Login with Twitch. My alerts. Oh. Interesting. Apparently there is nothing I can do. That's cool. That's great. All right. Make text scaled. I can't change it, right? Right. So what I need to do is then go to scale, size, make you like significantly smaller. And then at roughly there. If that's 75, that would be 37.5. No, 38, 40. Why is that not B? B. About 60, I think. Looks right. Of course, also get rid of your background. Oh, our billboard GUI needs to be bigger. There we go. Label and other label. Actually, that one's slightly off. 60 is not quite right. Maybe it's 65. I want no, not 65. 62. Something like that. You just move it. Can't do that for billboard GUIs. So now you are going to be called main T and then rarity. Rarity. Or rarity. A pun in the code. That's so useful and helpful. And this is going to be update. So and so we have to do is actually what I should do is get rid of all of these. Make it back to end here. Let's set up what water has. That way I can copy all of it. So one thing it has to do is text dot font equals enum font dot what's it called? Flower. Text dot color. Color 3 equals. I guess I should just copy this color 3 since I didn't save it anywhere. We should also add local text r equals script parent dot parent wait for child rarity text dot. I guess that's it for that. R dot text equals 1 and 2 text r dot color equals we can just do this since it's an automatic thing outside of this equals text color 3 new x dot x dot text color 3 dot r g b, and then what are the other two values? 0.985 and 0.97. Whenever EM is updated, this will happen. Cool. I'll do this here in a second. Or so when I start the game, well, they don't have a username, so but it does disappear. One and 4, 1 and 2. I really should have put these into something like a module script, but oh well. Oh well. Else if Earth is 1 and 8. So I just have to jot down all of these. So if I do play it, I can do some things to make this testable. So first of all, I go here. Wait, what? The head disappeared. Right, because it's not attached to anything, so of course it's going to disappear. Duh. I anchor it for a second. For now, I have it anchored. In the future, it will be attached to something. But there it is. So now, if I set it to Cyan Minecraft 9, and then I love the fact that you're trying, hustling. Huge respect. Thank you. I'm trying something here. Then we go to wait, why is it not here? I forgot which one does this, but here it is. What? So why doesn't it work? Sorry, what? Is there an error here? Ah, string expected got no. So just to guarantee, okay, yeah. Just to make sure that this works, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it here and concatenate it with whatever's there, and see if that will fix that problem. So let's try this again. My username. So now if I go in here, oh great, what? Hey, apparently you cannot do that. So we should do if em, then else, and emb dot value equals this. There we go. That should fix that problem and should make it so that it does in fact always give them player the em value. So this is going to be my username. That's not nice. We can also, technically speaking, just go ahead and, ooh, that killed me immediately. Like, oh crap, I wasn't supposed to do that. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. I didn't expect that to kill me though. Let's rename this so it's not head. Let's rename it title. But it's not. Do that, I guess. So it's Cyan Minecraft 9. If I change this to water, why did it not work? Oh, probably because it connects on start. That's my guess. But we'd really have to test this with it automatically set to that. So here, for testing purposes, we can set this as Minecraft 9. That's not a good sign, is it? I guess the value might have been changed then, but if I change this to water, is it gonna do anything? What is it, water? Yeah, no. What is wrong with this thing? To my... It should be able to find it. I don't get it. I don't get what's wrong with this thing. This capital. Is it capital in the roll script? Yeah. Huh. For child, UN, wait. something here wrong? Its name. Those are the names of them. Yeah, it's an EM. Huh. Huh. I don't even understand why this doesn't work. Would it work if it was a normal script? Here, let's try this. Make this a script. Oh, you update. Steal the code from this script. Put it in this script. Delete the other update. If I do this, would it work? Doesn't look like it's worked. To be fair, as soon as it did this, I'm pretty sure it did not fix the code. But we can try. Water. No. 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 Is it because on this side the value hasn't changed? Let's try changing it from here. There we go. So it works if I change it from here. So to node, it has to be changed from there. Then you get this text that says water. Cool. What I need to do here. What's interesting is when it starts, it does not change. So let's make sure that on start text.text and text r.text equals empty. Because at the start you're not going to have anything, and it would be really weird if you had something that said label over your head. I think this works. I still have to finish the update script, but I'm going to also change this name to title, and we're going to remove anchor. Can I cause this thing to be connected to something real quick, just to make sure that if I make it massless, no, it still deleted itself immediately. That's interesting. So massless did not functionally work. Does this thing just delete itself no matter what? Anyway, let's put this in miscast and on character join. Do get game.character get service character. No, I think it's players. It should work. Local PL. And let's also get local equals game get service replicated storage PL dot character. Wait, player added. character. Player added something one. Connect function. And maybe I'm missing something here, but local car equals player equals player dot character. If car, then what it's going to do is stop. Let's see. Dots this assets wait for child title dot new clone. Then we'll call this title equals this local. Then what we're going to do is we're going to make, if you added run service script, how would you call it? I don't know. I am an amateur dev here. I can barely get my code to work, period. You'd probably use this or something. Anyway, title dot parent equals car dot wait for child head. I don't know how to anchor it to the head though, so I don't think that's going to be enough. And then title dot for child what's it called, username player dot name. So what I think is going to happen is this is not going to work. Yeah, no. What we need to do is let's see. How do we get this not to disappear? We need to anchor it. Title dot anchor. Link dot equals instance dot new anchor. What the link? What are they called? I add it isn't a line position. What does a line position do, Roblox? Line position is just constraint that applies force to the node. So if I created line position, first of all, what are its car dot our wait for child head and dot attachment to title ink dot parent title. Let's see if this works to some extent. I assume maybe. Well, considering it's not here, huh? It does stay in replicated storage though, at least, right? So as soon as I put this into my head, what happens? Yeah, it falls. But I don't get why it's gone immediately. Like, it's still here, it says. What's wrong with it? I can also reset you. But I don't. Was there an error? Let's see, print car detected. Make sure that it's finding the character. No, not. Let's use a wait 1 second before loading this in. Then, apparently it doesn't exist yet. So it did detect it. Maybe it did detect it last time. But the problem is, I don't think that I have the thing. So where did it go? It's what? It just doesn't. Wait, attachments. Are attachments not parts? Align position Roblox. That's interesting. Position. I guess I shouldn't use a line. Constraint. What? How? How do I use this? How does this do anything? I don't understand how attachments work. Okay. Ball and socket. I don't understand how this works. I just add an attachment, right? We call it pause, right? set it to attachment 0. When you get into a game, let me just see what things our head has. Attachment, head attachment. What is this? I don't even know what type of thing this is. Clearly this is not what this is using. And I don't understand what it is. Is this a weld? Is that what these are called? Weld. Right here. Let's get rid of all this nonsense because I don't want that. Let's add weld. Let's just add a weld. It's title. I don't need any of this now, okay? We're going to go title, wait for child, weld. You should probably assume make them in the same universe first. Dot part 1 equals car, wait for child, head. Now I don't think this is gonna work, frankly. I don't think this attached to do. Of course not. Why would it? Oh my gosh, this is so gosh dang annoying. Here. Title dot C frame equals head C frame. That work? Will that make it not float off into the middle of void? There. Finally, it's here. Now, I assume when we said this, now this username is correct. I assume when we change it, it's not going to work properly. Yes. Well, actually, you have to change it from the server anyway for it to work. Yeah, that's definitely not the height we want. As you get farther away, it just keeps growing too. I bet there's a way to change that. I don't actually know how far away this max distance is. Anywho, point is that title What is their position? Reduces its height by 240. I don't know what this. Go to server. Inches to water. Hello? I don't see it anywhere. What the heck? Position cannot be assigned to. That's kind of funny. Plus C-frame dot new with a vector3 new. I assume I can do this and it'll work fine. What? I can't do crap about it. It's freaking crashing, bro. What on earth? Alright, whatever. So this, I did not expect this to take so much time. So it wants me to add a vector3 to this? Will that even work? Doesn't make sense to me. I'm sorry, why does it not even say car detected? I assume that means it failed to add it? Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Here, let's instead of just doing wait, let's do while not equals nil, do wait 0.1. Attempt to call a table value? What does that even mean? Oh my gosh. How to change the position of a C-frame in script. Roblox. Oh my gosh. You're kidding me. That's such a stupid system. Oh my gosh. Let's see. My brain can't even. I don't even know what to do here. This is so stupid. I hate this stupid trash. Can I just... Why can't I just make this title.cframe and just add it? Why can I not add two C-frames? Why? Why does C-frame addition just not work? And why is it like I expected a V... That C-frame. Yeah, no crap, I'm adding a C-frame to a C-frame. What are you confused about? Argument 2? What the frick is an argument 2 here? This is absurd, bro. I just wanted to change the position, bro. Here, you know what? Screw all of that. I don't care, frankly. And let's just do this the old-fashioned way. Equals title.position plus vector3 dot new 0 or 0. Will that work? Or is this going to be stinky? Now, if I go to here, let's just make sure it showed up in the first place. Good. Set you to water. Is that doesn't look like it moved it a single freaking inch. Probably because it just changed the position back. I'm going to go insane. Oh, it looks like it did change its position +4. No, never mind. Telling me that if I try to change this to 5, whatever, bro. So I think I have to change this thing. I don't even know, bro. I don't know. If I do this, does it increase its height? That's all I need to know. I guess the first thing is to even save that information in the first place. It did. What does that even do? Did it move it down? Why? It moves it down for some reason. Let's do -2. Yes, -2 is what I want. Sure. -2. Whatever. How far away can you get and it's still be visible? I don't know, and I don't care, frankly. Point. All of this. Still haven't done this crap yet. Let's do. We need a save thing for saving. Do folder called data events. I don't know how to do this securely, so whatever. We're gonna have a remote event called save. So how save works is pretty simple. rs data events dot save connect I don't know why that appeared in the first place. So what else do I need to save in the first place? Save B. Let's save B actually. If B data equal to then ds get data store player name obtained that async B data true. That's it. I think. Local rs now I have store and use rs dot data events dot save B fire server rolled pick roll pick, that's it. Well, since that's an automatic, we might as well just put that onto here. Store doesn't really have to do anything besides go to end use store. Well, use does have some extra steps. But you know, we can't. This has to go first. Then it has to because we don't even have our player, do we? I guess it would just be local player. So player game dot players local player. What do we need this for? We'll call this LP. We'll call it LP. This, and then LP wait for child E LVS LP dot wait for child. No. child em value equals wait, no. Wait, hold on. I gotta remember how this works. So how does sync and verify work? Oh, we use verify. So actually, what we have to do, then have to run rs em events dot save sync I guess we need another data event. That would be an em event. Since we can't set it on the local side, we need an nem. So let's do a remote event. Well, nem and events nem. Fire server. Then we can fire rs verify fire server. So nem is going to have its own function. It's similar to sync. Nem here. Hello, how's it going? Let's see, this is nem. So this is how that should work. Next, cool. So in here we have to fire roll picked. Well, sorry, come back. Cool. Alright, so this should work. If I run this, what should work? What exactly am I expecting to happen here? I guess I'm expecting you to be able to obtain things. So if I go roll, use, unable to assign property values, string expected, got no. This for child. Oh, wait. Making RNG game? Yes, I am. Let's let's question this for a second. Good. What went wrong here? My Roblox Studio. This should have run. And this should be true because this should have run. No thank you. Why is this no? Data store. Active setting. Role picked is set, right? Is that gem rules? Here, let's print role picked. Just so I can see what it says. Fire. So it is right. But then why did this not work? On here it does have role picked on the nem and on the let's go ahead and add something here. They print named nem. This verifies. So this is save B. But we will print saved B data. Use saved B data. Didn't nem it. Nemming didn't work. Wait, what? Why did nem not work? If it has this, okay, let's see. Print attempt into nem. Thank you. Hello. How are you doing? Let's see. No. Oh. It worked that time. Why did it work that time, but not the other times? What? Okay, so we got this. We got Earth. All of that stuff's not done yet. It attempted to name it. Why did it say B data after? Is that what was happening? No, not really. Not particularly. Wait. So wait 1 second maybe. I think that should generally work. So if I play the game. What? Why don't I have a name? Access forbidden. What? I'm sorry, what? Why is my access forbidden? So odd. Maybe I can just reload the game again and it'll start working this time. Alright, here. Let's do this. Let's publish to Roblox. So let's publish to Roblox and let's reload Roblox Studio. Super odd. At least this is starting to resemble an RNG game. Like it's getting there. We're getting an RNG game at this point. It's starting to be somewhat playable. Alright, so let's see if the game works this time or if the what'd you do? Zoom in scriptures. Look, I'm busy with my project right now. Nor am I like a good person to ask, to be honest. There, it worked this time. Now we got water unlocked. Look at that. Whoa. See if we can get anything good. Watch, I can't the thing won't update if it's anything too good. Whoa, okay, wait, what? Wind, saved B data, wind. Wind. Why didn't wind show up? What? Didn't update. Didn't update. What? Wind is here. It would have worked. It's like it didn't run verify, or it run verify too soon. This is just like another, I guess, wait one, I guess I gotta put on here for running this. Like, I don't really know what else I would do. Use and run again. Wait, I think it. Wait, hold on, I forgot here. If I reload the game, actually, I don't know if this will work. Yeah, it won't work because it doesn't save. Actually, save my. Actually, no, this should save. I haven't set up this saving yet. My roles is something I should save when I save B data as well. I had something else. Like, okay, clicking use just takes longer. Oh my gosh, I literally can't equip this. But if I click use, I'm going to be really confused. Yeah, so it's not quite able to equip light yet. I haven't set it up yet. Dog store. Simply because storing is literally just objectively faster. Because it doesn't have to do all the nonsense required to equip it. Okay, use wind. There we go. So you can equip them. It works. Alright. Now, data man. So something we can do quickly here. Is let me just real quickly just it's nicer. Player, wait for child, leader stats. Call this LS. Now, once we have leader stats, kill. What am I doing? LS, wait for child. Roles. Value equals DSSS. Get data store. Layer dot name active. Get async. Roles. And then we'll do the same thing for kills. Whatever you have active should save, as well as your roles and kills now. But for this doesn't ever save. So with B data, we'll also save that CSS for child. Well, actually, kills don't need to be saved here. For child. Don't get data store. Player dot name active get async set async actually. Set async roles equals player read for child leader stats read for child roles dot value. There we go. The data store. So it sets that value. And now this should allow for roles to save. I don't know if it counts still. I still don't think it saves things in here. If I get a role real quick. Okay, ooh, that's a cool one. So it just says dark because everything's not set up for it. Then infinite. Oh yeah. Wait, I said leader stats with a capital. Yeah, this should be a lowercase. Leader stats. Right. What I should do is put an if on both of those. Data store. Data manager. Simply put, if roles then and if changes fills then and this just makes sure that it's not a null. Get rid of that error. But why am I looking up here? Oh crap, I did this again. Can you do that, please? Thank you. So yes, if I do this, I can use whatever. Then I can leave the game. But I don't think I need as long of a wait as I gave it. But yeah, it does not save on here. So no matter what, I will not save my data. Should it be saving my data? I don't know. Okay. 1 and 8. Now all I have left to do is set up all of these, which is going to be a pain, of course. So fire. There's light, dark. We'll change it. Life, mechanical, death. I think. Pure, evil, holy. Pure, evil, holy. Of course, not all these are. None of these are set up yet. Pure, evil, holy. And then we have space, time, force. Wait, did I forget to actually keep the forest fire one on there? Alright. Force. Magic. Memorials. Anti-magic. Memorial. Order. Memorial chaos. Space, anti-time, and anti-meaningless. Space, anti-time, and meaningless. Alright. Now for the very fun process of setting each of these up. So to do so, we go up. Fire is still in deflower, which makes this nice, but to copy in this, and it's 1 in 16. Uh, 1 in 32, 64. It's pretty easy for a bit. Oh, 24, 2048, 4000. Those are all the easy ones that I remember. So light is the first one where we have to copy this as well. Copy this text. Put it here. You copy color, which is color is easy, so we can just go and do the lights color. White. Easy. I probably should go before I finish all of this, but oh well. Let's also just do dark because these are the important ones. These are the ones that you get a lot, so I should probably finish them as my thought. And then dark, you get antique. Alright. Now roll. Click use. Earth. Use. Water. Wind. Fire. Work. So yeah, you get all of those and they all work correctly. So it should be a pretty, should work. As a game, it's pretty functional at this point. Like, generally speaking, I have the functions down. But I think I'm done for today. I think I have to go now. So long. So long. Hope you all follow, show up next time to keep watching this journey. I feel like I have so much left to do. I only have Thursday, Friday, and Saturday left to do it, so we'll see what we can get done. Alright, so see you all around. Bye bye.